Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Bitcoin and market update. But listen, if you're not already on the Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. Let's dive into Bitcoin, guys. We're here on the 2-hour chart starting off. I told y'all yesterday I was taking a little break from the charts because this price action is just getting absolutely ridiculous sideways. I got tired of sitting there and watching it. And that was about right here when we tested this, came up and went back down. And shocker, guys, what have we done since yesterday? We've done absolutely nothing. We've come sideways here and just did exactly sideways action. I mean, we've stayed in the range from 40,003 to we've stayed in a $300 range, guys. What is this? This is ridiculous. But let's see what kind of update I can get for you guys. So we're on this lower time frame. This 2-hour time frame. Like I said, we're under this resistance here at 40765. We're familiar with that red line, guys. That's been a big level for us. And I've had these boxes marked for y'all where I would be looking to short. I am still in our short from up at 48,000. But if you're looking for a fresh short, I'd be more interested, up here. If you're looking along, on these lower time frames, down here would be better. Just this small sideways action, I'm not really interested in playing. I'll just ride what I have, and we'll be good to go from there. But we do have, kind of this uptrend right here, guys, that we do have forming on the, on these low hourly time frames where we're kind of working our way up the stairs here, creating some type of ascending triangle pattern right here, guys, right on this lower time frame potentially. And that could have a breakout target if you measure from where our pattern would go to down right here. And you could have a breakout target. And that would send us back to our blue line, guys, which is that range bound price action. Y'all remember that? This is that range bound price action that we've utilized so many times here in the past. So that brings us back to that bottom of that range right there, guys, at approximately 41,800 right there, guys. Okay, so that's what you're looking at right there. And I do want to show, if we go in onto like a 30-minute time frame here and we zoom in a little bit on this price action, it has been pretty much all sideways, guys. But if we pull up that RSI, we do have a little bit of a hidden bullish divergence going on here where we have a low in price and a higher low in price right here. Do y'all see that? A low, higher low. But on that RSI right here, guys, we're creating a low and a lower low right here, and that is a hidden bullish divergence here, and that's only on a 30-minute chart, guys. So that's extremely low time frame, so don't expect too much from that. But that could just be something that that could be something that sends it back up to the top of this little triangle pattern that we have going on right here, guys, back up to that red line at 40765. So not too much going on the lower time frames for Bitcoin. Let's go over to our supply and demand chart, guys, see what we have going on over here. Let's bring it out to that 1-day chart and zoom out a little bit here. And y'all remember from the last update, we were bouncing off of that 1-day bounce level, right, that I provided for y'all, right? I gave y'all one off here that we didn't quite get a reaction off this, medium trend line right here. And then off our trend that we created back here from January, this is where we are bouncing right now, right? You can see where we're now holding this level of support right here, guys. Okay, do y'all see that? And as long as we hold this level of support, I would be okay with, seeing price action come back up here and testing the supply zone that starts at approximately 43,800. So approximately 43,800. But again, if we kind of overlay our lower time frame chart right here, guys, right? Like if we just kind of flash back between it, remember we have all these levels right here getting between us right here, guys, right? So if we just kind of flash back and forth between, right, you can see on this daily view, right, it just looks clear, coming up here. But remember, on that lower time frame, we have to get past the red line. We have to get past this range bound price action, right, guys? So we do have a little bit of work if we want to get back up there, guys. But as long as we could do that, that's where we'd see, our price action coming back up here, right? We test this supply zone. Ultimately, the absolute optimal situation, we come up, we break through this level, right, back test this level of support, and that's where we could see ourselves good for continuation to those 50K levels that everyone's been talking about. Otherwise, guys, again, we flash over to these lower time frames. We have all this resistance level right here, guys, right? If we keep hitting our head right here off resistance, right, we're just getting squeezed down right here, right? In between, resistance of those lower time frames and support here off the higher time frame. So let's just see what happens right there, guys. But as long as we, keep getting squeezed down by resistance, if we fail to hold support, we come back down here, guys, right, and keep hitting our head and keep seeing resistance right here, that's where we're going to come back down, guys. and test that support level or that demand zone down here at approximately, that starts at approximately 35,000, right about 35.1 or so right there, guys. Okay. So that's what we're looking at on that daily view, guys. Still, pretty much nothing, just going sideways along this higher time frame support level right here, guys, creating maybe some type of triangular pattern, but mainly looking at this supply and demand zone that we have going for us right here, guys. Let's zoom over to total crypto market cap, see what we have going on that chart, guys. And sorry, let me pull up our, there we go. And sorry guys, I don't know what's going on with my total crypto market cap. Doesn't want to load my drawings right now, guys, so I can't give y'all total crypto market cap right now. But that's what we're looking at, guys. That's what we're looking at Bitcoin. That's what we're looking on the lower time frames. That's what we're looking at on the higher time frames. Sorry, my drawings won't load on total crypto market cap. Have to see what's going on with TradingView, guys. That's what we're looking at. Like I said, not too much going on, guys. It's just all sideways action right here. I mean, really, like I said, ever since I didn't really look at the charts too much yesterday, we just gone sideways. So yeah, could we get a little bit of pop right here, guys? Yeah, we could. Maximum, I would say, we're coming up here. If we get past this level, guys, if we get past this level right here on the charts, that's where I would be a little bit more confident in a bullish reaction right here that, we could see if we come up here and, we don't get denied right here, guys. I have this box marked right here because I think we would come up here and we get some type of swift denial. And I have that box marked for y'all because this is where I think we could catch a candle pushing up like some type of fake breakout right here and we get denied. And this is actually the same exact box that I had marked for y'all for buying right here, right? Do y'all remember that? Just, days back, right? When price was coming down here, I had this box marked for where I wanted y'all to buy at, right? And we had this, these wicks come down here and we had that buying reaction that pushed up. And obviously we dumped after that, but you still could have secured some nice profits there. So now that's just the same exact box moved over here, guys. And do y'all see how that works as support and resistance, right? So we were once buying that level. Now we flipped it as resistance. Now we want to sell that same exact level right there, guys. So that's my ideology kind of illustrated right there for y'all. So I would like to catch a candle, see a swift denial. Otherwise, guys, if we come up here, we hold these levels, right? We push up here. Let's say we do pump up here, guys, and we hold this level as support. That's where I'd be a little bit more confident if we don't get that swift denial right here, that we start holding that level of support. That's where I'd be more confident we could start working our way back up to these levels and start working back up, to 45K and beyond there, guys. So that's what we're looking at. If you enjoyed the video, if you found it helpful, throw a like down, throw a comment. Thanks for watching today, guys.